How to register for free with Steuergo. Click on the Register for Free button. On the next page, all you have to do is enter your email address and a password of your choice for your user account. Please confirm the general terms and conditions and the privacy policy. Then simply click on Register for Free. Next, we will create your user account. In order to use Steuergo, you still need to confirm your user account. You will then receive a confirmation link to the email address you provided to us. Please check your emails now and confirm your user account. If you do not receive a message by email, there may be various reasons for this. Either the email address has not been entered correctly, or the message has unfortunately been sorted out by the spam filter. In some cases, the transmission of the data may also take a little longer for technical reasons. If you have any questions about registration, please contact our customer support team. You can reach us at hilfe@steuergo.de.